The sorting synth is an audio software synthesizer that allows a user to create a new sequence of notes driven by a sorting algorithm that's played over an oscillator. Users can create an account, or if they already have an account, they can log in at the login view. Once logged in, they're presented with the synth view. This screen gives the user the transport controls and ability to record their sort, play a new sort, or stop their sort. The user, once recorded, can view their recordings and play them back in the recordings view. They can also rename the recording, there it is, it resorted it, and then they can delete their recording. They can also share a recording using any of their different sharing techniques, as well as saving that file, this is the important one, directly to their device. Now, a user can play a sort by configuring their settings. The default settings are, and the oscillator is selected to a sine wave. The key is C major. The sort is insertion sort, and the speed is 2. And all of the octaves are selected. The user has the ability to change the oscillator from sine to triangle, sawtooth, or square waveforms. They can change the sorting algorithm to insertion sort, merge sort, bubble sort, or selection sort. And they can turn on effects, change the speed, change their key, change the mode from major to minor, and then slice the array to only include low, medium, or high frequencies, or include different combinations of either three. They also have a volume slider bar that can control the volume directly on the settings view. Let's go ahead and play a quicker sort, not a quick sort. Let's do the selection sort in C major, using only the medium frequencies on a sine wave. And you can hear it plays that nice little major scale after it's sorted at the end, because we are in C major. If I select it to C minor, it should play the same thing, but a minor scale, or something similar. Great. Now we're going to go ahead and change the key and get some interesting sounds here. The way I've been naming these, just in personally when I do them, is I use the sort. So we have right here bubble sort in the key of F minor, played over a triangle waveform. I'm going to throw the effects on in a minute, a few seconds into the song, and let's go ahead and get this one recorded and to demonstrate that functionality. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned before, we cannot play these recordings because it will crash the app, because I'm using the iOS screen recorder. If you download the app and run it, you can demo the play function of your recordings yourself. So let's go ahead and do that. And I can play with the speed settings. And it makes the delay do funny things. You can also change the oscillator mid-song. And as you can see, a user was presented with the Save Recording dialog once they're done recording, and they can view that recording that was just completed in their My Recordings page at the very bottom. Overall, with all the different settings a user can select and different sounds they can manage, we calculated the total number of unique sorts possible using our synthesizer is around 10 to the 23rd, which is like 11 sextillion unique different sorts users are capable of producing. Thank you very much for watching. Happy sorting!